Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure someone go support the EP. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, if you believe that even on the international level, as a hardcore dancehall artist in this day and age, vybz Kartel is still the best to ever do it, more you tear off the like button, viewers and subscribers. And if you agree that vybz Kartel, despite all the fight we are getting at the industry, viewers and subscribers, and from the powers that be, he is still undefeated, more empty a clip of likes on the video, viewers and subscribers. Now let's get into the reasoning. Now, viewers and subscribers, let's look at the recent events that took place on social media, and let's look at it for what it is, which is an attempt by the powers that be to stop vybz Kartel's international branding support, viewers and subscribers. Viewers and subscribers, one international film star was even harassed so excessively that it caught the attention of the media and even the attention of the teacher himself, viewers and subscribers. I'm gonna feel like a coincidence. Say after Rainy made this statement, made this post, or reposted the post when repost, disgruntled fans of the opposition flooded his inbox with all kind of statements and all kind of empty threats, things with them know them can't do. But just a matter of days after Spotify rolled out a picture where the opposition try for campaign with and say, yo, them artists are the face as such, knowing that when we talk about streams, when we talk about international notoriety, when we talk about as a brand name, vybz Kartel is still the go-to search word for anything associated with current dancehall viewers and subscribers. And big up all of the young artists them who continue to do it without a fear resort to these measures to gain fans. And this also goes to show viewers and subscribers that even while residing overseas, these artists have not gained an international fan base, viewers and subscribers, even from individuals that are within their age range. When the story jumped out that Tyreek from Power was a fan of vybz Kartel, people were hysterical. People say, wait, young youth international? Regardless of the fact that, him four parents are Jamaican. As I've always pointed out, vybz Kartel is not only a dancehall artist that has remained current, but vybz Kartel is also a dancehall artist that continues to set the pace for the genre itself. So for me personally, it is no surprise when I hear, whether young, old, whatever the age group, from you are a fan of dancehall music, authentic dancehall music, what always surprised me is when somebody tell me they are not a fan of vybz Kartel music, because right there and then I automatically start to say, yo, then that means you're not a fan of dancehall itself. Because whether we are talking about on the local scene or we are talking about on the international scene, vybz Kartel is unmatched. We see whole heap of artists get featured with international big stars. Yeah, whole heap of international big names. And for the better part is the association with that international artist will make the song big. For example, Sean Paul and Beyonce. Or the Beyonce being on the track make that track they big. Shensi and Tiger, bless. Tiger being on that track they make that track they big. vybz Kartel and the German producers and the German artists. A teacher made that big. vybz Kartel recently. UK drill scene with Digger them. A teacher at the chorus and the hardest verse on the track. Even teacher with Stylo and Nicky. I still when teacher said just touch down like NASA. And that's how the song start. No matter what them do, them can't stop the teacher viewers and subscribers because good music will live on. Rainier point out, say even when Alkaline them did go to school, vybz Kartel did run the road with good authentic dancehall music. Still a write all music for other artists. And I help put them out there while still maintaining his own career. Right now you can't name 5 artists who can do that regardless of genre, whether dancehall, hip hop, R&B, wherever the case be. You can't name 5 artists right now. I'm gonna wait. That has accomplished this in a music. vybz Kartel is a living legend. And then I like to see when international stars pay homage. Well, them have to go page everybody. Them can't just stop a Rainy. Rainy a yard too. Feel like you shaky. Them have to go page Cardi, Nicki. Them have to go page Drake them. Them have to go page Party Next Door them. And me I tell you about just artists that have worked. Have voiced their opinion. Them have to go page meet them. Yo, them have to go page a portion of people, viewers and subscribers. It not gonna work. While them all reside overseas. Them have the audacity to tell people about, oh yo, what can happen? Them father yard. Empty statements. While for them artists reside overseas, viewers and subscribers. Yo, them mute ya. Boy, let me make some statements. I have to wonder if actually fans are, if I just the fact that you make a statement, say, yo, vybz Kartel, I'm an artist, such and such, and I put it out there. The powers that be, I see that and I say, yo, even while incarcerated, this individual and his international notoriety, his stardom, continues to grow. I know them not like that. See, vybz Kartel's case even make people have to either jump ship or them have to reshuffle them, send them go a different country, who get put into early retirement. Most people did not pay attention to what take place, but the fight is also real. Cause I'm tell you, I see we are going with streaming platforms. Audiomack Detroit. And then within a couple of days, when the Audiomack numbers were checked, vybz Kartel was the most streamed dancehall artist on the Audiomack platform. And the same thing with Spotify. We see them a try it. I wanna know. Remember, some of the time when these things happen, them arcs and certain key industry players recommend a certain artist. So we don't know if this happened off recommendation, which that prove also against that the fight is real. And we talk about numbers, digital numbers, and the teacher do it. Artists like Skilly Bang with streaming numbers surprised certain industry figures. And we talk about dancehall music. They must say, wait, Skilly numbers, and good numbers, they never expect that from Skilly. Another artist will pay homage, put in the work, and never try to do things like this. And right now, we're over England. Yeah, we're over England. The people they must say Skilly. The people they must say them look forward to see some performance. You know what I mean? Some stage shows from Skilly Bang over the UK. Definitely a good look. You never have resort to measures like these. Them fans them never forward out and say Ray and Rue and be disrespectful. No. Them do it the right way. The nation will not be stopped, viewers and subscribers. We not pay them no mind. We are do it. We are going to put in the work. Yeah, you is out on all major platforms. Yeah, because the EP is already out already. And the music video, they write us up on the platform. I want you to check it out. I want you to check it out, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? Share, stream. Make sure you purchase the EP. Make sure you support good music. Support the dancehall genre. You know the thing. Go. Continue for putting in the work, viewers and subscribers. Drop your comments. You know what I mean? Go over there, drop your comment. Continue for keep the streams up. As the teacher say, this is just another weak attempt by the opposition, viewers and subscribers. But tell me how you feel. Talk to me in the comment section. Well, first and foremost, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you to click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there to you. Drop a like on the blog for me, like where you hear. Bust a share on the blog in truth, in close proximity. Tell a friend, for tell them sister and them brother them for check out channel, check out the reason, join the discussion via the comment section. They want me 24/7. It never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Yeah, man, I'll move settings for me. I wanna need a lot, and my sentiments for you and yours, of course, wanna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.